Hi, welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today is 23rd May 2021, Sunday, and we thought to give you 4 stocks which you can invest with the long-term perspective, which will help you multiply your money in a matter of 4 years each. So with this as a premise, we let you know these 4 stocks names, and these are first of all Asian Paint, followed by Dabur, HCL Tech and Pidilite Industries. We will discuss each stock one by one. If we look at Asian Paints, it is leader in the paint industry. So if you invest in this stock with a long-term perspective, your chances of going wrong with it are very remote. As you can see, in 2009, Asian Paint was at 90, 2013 it was at 439, 2017 it was at 891, and 2021 we are having it as 2776. So it is mind-boggling returns over a period of just 12 years. So this is the power of long-term investment. So even if you invest now in Asian Paint with the long-term perspective, say 4 years to 10 years perspective, you will see reasonably good returns over a period of time. However, as a matter of caution, make sure that you don't keep looking at the stock price which you are holding for long term every now and then on a day-to-day basis, because minor blips keep coming where the stock goes down, then it will again start off. So stock going down does not mean that stock is not good one. It is just a retracement, and it is the process of the bull market journey. Similarly, we see Dabur movement. You listen to the name of Dabur, the brand gets embedded in your mind. 2009 42 and 2021 it is at 534, so you can imagine the multiplication factor. Similar is the HCL. From 2009 1 rupee it has risen to 951 levels. And last is Pidilite Industries. 2009 was 55 and today it is in 2021 standing at 1771. So no doubt, if you don't want to get into intraday, then you can invest in these 4 stocks with closed eyes for 4 to 10 years, and definitely you will have good returns in these stocks. And as we have stated, don't look on these stocks once you have invested on day-to-day basis. Stock never moves in a linear fashion. Remember this fact. It moves in crests and troughs. It will go up, come down, then again go up, then again come down, and it's a bullish stock always makes higher highs formation. So ultimately, if you follow these 4 stocks and say you can check it every 3 to 6 months, you will see that the stock is forming higher highs and is not a bad stock. So with this, we close this video for the today, and you can impart some of your investment for these 4 stocks. We look forward to your association with us in form of subscribing to our channel, showing your love by giving an uptick to us, and forwarding to your friends and colleagues. We request you to check out our best Bank Nifty option tips, which gets you profit on a daily basis, and the URL for our best Bank Nifty option tip for the day is given in the description box. As well as we do have short-term investment tips which gets you good profit if you hold the stock for 5 to 8 working days, and you can get its URL also in the description box. Thank you. Have a great Sunday.